So if you're looking to automatically post on multiple Facebook pages together, then you're at the right place. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about AI automations where I make videos about different kind of automations that will help you in your business. So in order to do this automation, you need a tool called make.com. That's a free tool and I'll put a link to it in the description down below, and you can check it out and sign up using your Google account. And within Make, you can create different scenarios. So today I'll be telling you a scenario where you have already compiled lists of posts in a Google Sheet, and from there you can post it automatically on different Facebook pages. So this is how it is going to run. So from Google Sheet, it will go to a router and then to different Facebook pages. So now let's build this scenario together. So once you sign into make.com, then you need to go into scenarios, and from here click on create new scenario. And here you can add different applications. So for our purposes, we'll be using a Google Sheet. So we'll search for Google Sheets, and within Google Sheets you will find all these different options. So what we are looking for, since we have already created a Google Sheet with the posts, then what we are looking for is to get a cell. It is, yes, we are looking for get a cell. And now you need to make a connection between your Google account. I already have the connections created, but you can create the connection very easily by clicking on add, and from here you can just sign into your Google account. And then the search method which we'll be using is search by path, and then it's going to search in my drive. And now I'm going to search for my spreadsheet. Let me show you the spreadsheet as well. So this is the spreadsheet which I have created. As you can see, it has got two posts which are there, and we'll be posting it simultaneously on two different Facebook pages. So let's go back to our make scenario, and from here I'll click on click here to choose a file. It's going to search for my file, and let me just uh, search for my file. You need to go to your specific folder where you have created the file, and this is going to be my file. And then you need to select your file name. So it is going to be sheet 1. As you can see, the file name here is sheet 1, and then we have to enter the cell ID. The cell ID is going to be this one. A2 is going to be our cell ID here. So I'll put A2 and I click on OK. And now let's run this and see what it's going to give out. So what you can do to run this particular Google Sheet is right click on it and click on run this module, and you can see it has given me one post. AI can know your condition. So this is the post. And now next what we need to do is we need to connect our router. What router does, it's going to transfer this data to two different or multiple places. See, and now what we have to do is we need to add a Facebook page module. So we'll just click on the plus sign and search for Facebook pages, and then we click on create a post. And again here you have to connect your Facebook account by clicking on add. I already have my Facebook account created, and once it is created you can select the page where you want it to be posted. So I've selected one of my page, and the message what we need is this value which we are getting from the Google Sheet. And link we can leave it blank, and then again we connect a different Facebook page, create a post, and here we choose a different Facebook page, and again the message is going to be this, and we click OK. And now what we can do is we can save this scenario. We can name this auto post on Facebook. I just like to name all these scenarios so that I don't forget, because I've got lot many scenarios in my account. And then we click on save, and then we click on run. So it's going to fetch the first sheet, and it is posting here. As you can see, it has posted, and it has also posted on the second page. Now let's go ahead and check it out on both our pages. So here we go. This is my Facebook page, simply automated, and this is the post. This is the one page. And now let me go to my second page, and we will see the same post there. So yeah, as you can see, it has posted on both these Facebook pages. So with this make.com, it is very easy to make this automation, and it's going to literally cost you nothing. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions about this automation, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.